Hey folks, Papa Mike, yeah, your friendly frozen food guy there at Kroger 532, 5241 North Tarrant Parkway. Hey, don't forget, push that little subscriber button down below. Give me a like. Hey, who knows a rumble. Anyhow, back to work. I just finished cutting our lawn, and boy, I tell you, I'm tuckered out, and I don't want to do anything hard as far as cooking my meal. So, I went, got myself a burrito, aisle 5, and I tossed it into one of these NongShim bowls that I had for soup earlier, which you can find in aisle 11. And you know, it's reusable. Yeah, reusable. You can use it in the microwave, right? So I just tossed the burrito in there, put the lid on, put it in there, pop it in the oven. Boop. 60 seconds. Oh no, it's done. Not really, but hey, it's a short film. Next thing I do, I flip it over. And I add a little bit of spinach. Ooh, it's fresh. You can get that from our produce department. And then I put the top back on after I flipped it. And I put it back in. 30 seconds this time. That's it. And then, when it's done like this one here, you can add your seasoning. I just add a little bit of tomatoes, and that's it. So, I hope you like this little recipe. And come see me at store 532. This is Papa Mike signing out. Good eating.